Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Lucille explain how to use Facebook app step by step. Have you received an email from Facebook before? This may be fake. Before opening the email, you should first make sure that you have received the original mail from Facebook, not fake one. So today we'll explain how to make sure about security email you got from Facebook or not. Let's get started and see how can we do that. First, tap on Facebook app icon. After that, click on 3 horizontal line which shown on top right. Scroll down a little bit till we get setting and privacy. After that, press on settings. Then click on security and login. Scroll down a little bit till we get see recent email from Facebook. Here you can find list of email which Facebook sent to you regarding to security and so on. If we check this one, you will find that Facebook sent you email with subject your trusted contact on Facebook were modified, and you can find here date and time and which mail sent. This is the first one. Let's try the second one. For example, this one, Facebook password change, and also mention date and time of sending and also email which Facebook sent to. Let's go down a little bit. You can find here also email sent from Facebook asking for adding your phone to your Facebook account for more security, also details of email and so on. Here we reach to the end of the video. On this video we explain how to make sure about security email you got from Facebook or not. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.